Yeah, he got him. Oh!
Too slippery. He's coming your way.
There he goes. He's gone.
No, he's right there.
Oh, they might have him.
You had him, and we're like, yeah! Oh!
They might still have him.
Welcome back to nature with.
Dun, dun.
Oh! I had it.
He's coming back. He's coming back. Oh, he's gone.
Is he under the rock?
No, he's on the face of it.
He's on right there.
It's like in the moss.
Yeah, get out of the way.
Busy chasing stars. Always gonna oh my gosh. Catch the
Anna.
frog. Yes.
Yeah, got him.
Now swim
He
back.
was dead.
He's gone again. He's right there. He's gone.
I caught him, Dad.
I see a couple others.
Straight across. There's another 2 of them on there.
I caught him. I didn't know you were right behind me.
There's like baby frog central over here.
No!
Right across on the rock.
I can't reach that far.
Yes, you can. You can do it.
No!
There's one more right in front of you again.
Right in front of you on the rock.
I know. No!
Oh.
They're too slippery.
Bum, 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 bum.
I can't get that.
Dun, dun. She tried.
Saw me.
Two more
Oh, I
right
saw
there.
one and it just moved.
Baby frog. Another one right there. Baby frog as big as wings in there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, where's the third one? I see him.
There's one right across this.
Oh, no. Oh, I see the claw, Dad.
Hold on.
No!
There's one to your right on the rock. Liv, there's one to your right, right there.
In front of you.
Right there. And right in front.
Still right in front of you.
Oh, I felt
Right in
them.
front of you against the bank. Right underneath that rock.
Yeah,
One of them
now I
moved.
see him. Just trap him. I can't do it. Because I need both my hands right
See,
there. Where?
look, you are looking at. Here, hold on, Liv, look. Right over there. See the grass bent down? It's right under it. Right under the grass.
I almost fell in.
Ready? See him? Shoot. You got him. You got him. Hold on, let me see it. Let me see it. Nice job. Good catch. She just caught this one.
Yeah.
Look how proud she is.
yeah.
She's proud.
I'm gonna let him go.
Bye bye, Froggo.
Come on, Froggy.
Froggy's got
Spin.
noodle form.
My goodness.
He's
Catching
playing
him all-
dead.
Catching him so quick. Ah! Oh no! There he is. He's going for it. Oh.
I couldn't find him. I couldn't find him.
Oh man.
What's up, dude? Oh, dang it.
What's up, little? Oh, dang it.
Do you have one?
You went right under that. He's too bright out.
I know I will. Cause I say I will. I know I will.
I think you guys scared the rest of them off.
No. Really?
Yeah.
You were. Go down. We need to go back down.
Yep, we're all done. That's the top end.
Okay, Ethan,